the thing with air handlers. You gotta look for the wire colors. Whereas if you look down there in a furnace, look at the board, like this shit right here. Okay, it tells you where to put everything. Yellow, green, white, red, common. Easy.
I think they on this time.
That mother's there, man. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. Gucci, man.
Calm down, Manolo.
Manolo. Look at Manolo.
Come on, skinny man.
Like, come on, man. Hold up, man.
Wait, is it this or this?
Get that capacitor hooked up, bro. That red coming from the contactor, that's common. You gotta hook that up to common on your capacitor.
So that's 4 prongs.
4 prongs, yep.
And then the rest of it.
Watch those brown wires.
Yeah, that's that one.
Yeah, man. They are both brown, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
So you're not.
I remember last time
No.
you was telling me which one go to
Whatever the
the.
smaller
One of them
one
go to the
goes
compressor,
to.
right?
Yeah, you gotta figure out which one goes to the compressor, and then you already know which one's your fan. Once you figure that out.
The small one go to the compressor.
Yep. But how'd you know that, man?
'Cause I can see it going to it.
Yeah, if you look
And then
down in
the
there,
other
the
one,
wire's
yeah.
coming. Yeah.
And then you said the other one's like in the housing up here, so you can't see it.
Can't see it. Yep.
Alright.
Start it up, bro. Come on. Come on, buddy. Give us some power.
Right here?
Yep, all of them. Boom. The Dixie should turn on. My blower should come on, blow air inside and pull you off. Yo, good job, man. Officially wired in the system. Take it apart. Discharge. Don't go shocking the shit out of yourself, man. Somebody's turn. Go ahead. Go ahead.
And then for the heat, you just do it the same way.
Just with the white wire. Swap out the white for the yellow. Go ahead. Okay. Go ahead. I used to have this guy I worked with, his accent was so heavy. Whenever he'd say, go ahead, I think he was calling me a goat head. I'm like, bro, don't be calling me that shit. Yeah, man, go ahead, man. Alright. Go ahead. Go ahead, but it was just all one word. Sounds like goat head. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
call back and say if he wanted.
Yeah. I only gave him 30 days to make a choice, otherwise that price goes up. Left him a price of $2,400.
Okay.
Just the furnace. Nothing else.
So with this new, you gotta switch over to the new refrigerant or 410.
Oh, you already
All
did that part.
I was saying all of that happening, you have to change out the whole system, or
You could just do the condenser and evaporator cool. And that's
Yeah, I
what
think
he left his old furnace, which he shouldn't have because it's all rusted to shit. But that's the cheap bastards for you. Renting out these houses, man. I wanted to fucking spend money on them, you know.
so the best bet is just
Yeah, all one time, man. Well, you get your 10-year warranty. You don't have any issues. I mean, you're gonna have shit like capacitors and contactors that might go out. Those wear and tear parts.
get my landlord. Once we get, I mean, you gotta switch this over. I'll do it.
Come on with it, man.
Once free rent. Come on with it.
For real, dude.
Yeah.
For real. Let them know, man. We'll go do it.
Oh, shit.
Tell them we'll get them trained too. Shit. Got the hook up, train. For real, man. And y'all find anybody shit. We'll hook them up.
You got to hook up and try it.
Yep.
It's the top of the line.
Mm-hmm. Train Linux. Top of the line. Randall's Climate Control, 24 more HVAC technician jobs in Houston, Texas. For you. Hal Watson. Hey, Bluebell Creameries is looking for somebody. Bluebell Creamery.
Sorry, man. So this one goes to the.
Bluebell Creamery. Why?
What?
Why? Why?
Okay.
No, that was right. The brown one that you put on. Figure out what that was.
Yes, sir.
But in case you don't know,
Yes, sir.
there's your schematics up here again.
Okay.
Get your schematics. So what we're talking about was the two brown wires coming from your fan.
You should be looking at what the capacity is. Like the top.
Yeah, how many prongs are sticking up out the terminals.
I was looking at that, but that's.
See that Herm is 3,
Uh huh.
3 prongs. Common is 4, fan is 2.
Yeah.
Looks like that on the capacity.
So it says brown, and then brown.
Brown. And then going to common is what?
Red.
So you already got the red one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, man.
So
gotta
you
get
know
that
you got 2 brown wires.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Figure out which one's
We
which.
gotta figure out which
The one
one's which.
going from the compressor go to your.
Just go, actually look at your compressor. Look, check this out.
Compressor,
Look
okay.
down in here.
Kinda over
Which wires are coming from your compressor?
Which wire?
Or which brown wire is coming from your compressor?
That light brown one.
Yeah. Touch it, feel it. Is it the skinny one or the fat one?
Right.
Can't tell like that.
Oh, my bad. It's the skinny brown.
There you go.
Okay.
And that means that's your compressor is your Herm.
Uh huh.
Hermetic compressor goes to Herm, right?
Yes, sir.
Shizzle.
My nizzle.
Bam! Then give it some power, man. Give it some power. Look at this.
No power.
You gotta finish giving it power, bro. Go to your air handler. Turn it on. Now, by the way, before you go, hey, no, whoa, bro, don't kill yourself.
What?
Alright, that's what I was gonna tell you. Back up, I'm gonna show you something. This is high voltage, 240 volts coming in through this whip, right? This is your power supply coming in.
Uh huh.
Alright, turn this off just for learning purposes. What you did was you almost shocked the shit out of yourself. You went over here and you grabbed this like this.
I was about to.
Yeah. That would arced off on you if you're sweating. So if you're in an attic sweating.
Okay.
Alright. So make it a habit of one finger, man. Either your thumb One finger.
Yes, sir.
Don't go over there grabbing this shit, because there's power coming from high voltage coming from this side to that side.
Yes, sir.
So just one finger.
Yes, sir.
All right. Go ahead. Give it power.
I got power.
Other way.
Oh, not that.
There you go. One finger. There you go. Condenser should turn on, and then your blower should be blowing air inside, pulling you down.
Yes, sir.
And that's normal function.
Okay. So I turn this off first.
Yeah. Go. One finger.
4 fingers.
Oh, no, man. No. Break it down, bro. Discharge your capacitor. Don't shock nobody.
Just go through all the prongs in the middle, touch the metal on the back.
Yeah, touch the metal.
Not like,
Together.
like touching together to where the metal's touching each prong. Yeah, like that.
Okay. Just lift them up.
Touch it to the metal on the
Yeah, like
back.
connect the prongs together.
Connect them. What do you
Yeah,
mean?
but touch the metal on the back of the unit right there.
Like this,
behind
look.
it.
Yeah.
Okay, show me what's up.
I'm gonna show you. That's it. Can't
Okay.
see it happening, but you're discharging it when you do that.
Okay. Now I can take them off.
Now you can take it apart. Yep.
Okay.
I had this one student shock the shit out of himself because he didn't do that.
Is he all right?
Hey man, I'll say it a bunch of times, but if you're not listening, bro, I can't do it. Oh, what you learn?
Oh, you all right?
It's in the
Take 'em
fine
off?
print, man. You fuck yourself up for not listening to your instructor. It's your fault. It's in the fine print, man.
Real fun.
Yo.
It's pretty bold, actually. Not that fine.
Yeah,
I
it is.
remember reading that because I was like, "Am I gonna
Yeah,
get fucked
iPhone
up?"
shows you.
And then I was about to walk out. She was like, "No, it's not like that." And I was like, "Okay, cool."
I don't. As long as you listen, man. I mean, I'll try to stop you before you hurt yourself. Like
Of
right
course,
now,
Of course.
you know. So
You know,
that would have hurt.
Yeah,
240 volts is a lot.
I would have passed out.
You would have been blown off that machine, yeah.
Light is yours. It's probably not your bad.
Dude, your hair would turn white.
For real?
Yeah. Nah. I've seen people's hair turn white though when they get shocked like
White,
that.
so you say,
Bro,
"Great Scott."
some people's hair do turn white, man, whenever they get shocked. Some people's hair do turn white when they get shocked.
Huh.
It's crazy.
He said, "Great Scott."
How much you pay the crane?
$2.50 an hour.
How long it take 'em?
Take 30, 45 minutes.
How long
Is
is
they
it
gonna
taking
put
to
it up
set
there?
How long does it take to set up?
The whole process
They
of
just
it.
pull up in a fucking
broke the wire
a
off.
truck and
Yeah, before all that, everything
strap
has to be
everything
done.
up.
Teacher.
As a curve
Yeah,
put
we've already
in.
prepped it. We got it off the the curbing up there. Well, this
Oh,
one doesn't
okay,
have a
right.
curb because it's
Yeah,
side
one
discharge.
them longer than-
Yeah, if you need a curb. You ready? Where you at? Where you at, brother? Oh, did it break off in there?
Yeah.
Now that's trash. So if it breaks off in there ever, which one? That one right there? So then you would have to restrip it. I'll strip it for you to show you, but these are cheap, dude. Whenever you need, see like all the other ones, just get about a 1/4 inch of conduit like that. Get out the way, man. Get out the way, man.
I've been doing it every year.
Yeah. You ever strip
Maybe
wire
a little
before?
bit more than that.
I ain't shit to it, man. How'd you do? You got
I
it?
think,
You got the feel on
I
it?
think you might need a little
Yeah, I
more.
was about to say.
Nah, let me see
a little
here.
longer than
Let me
that.
show you. Whenever you clamp down your wire snips, I get it on the this one's an 18. So get about right there.